showing you an example of integrals involving the trigonometric functions. So, we have the integral of sine cubed times 2/3 x times cos to the 4th power times 2/3 x times dx. So, to find the integral, we must use the u substitution. So, let u1 is equal to 2/3 x, then du1 is equal to 2/3 dx. So 3/2 du1 is equal to dx. Then rewrite using u1 and du1. And since the u1 is equal to 2/3 x, you must find the du1 over dx. So we must differentiate 2/3 x. So, may mo siyang ito, d over dx times 2/3 x. Nya, since 2/3 is constant with respect to the x, the derivative of 2/3 x with respect to x is 2/3 times d over dx times x. And differentiate using the power rule na dimension, which states that d over dx x times n x to the power of n is nx to the power of n minus 1, where n is equal to 1. So, mato siya 2 multiply 2/3 by 1 na dayon nga. Rewrite the problem using u1 and the u1. So, mo na siya sin x, mo na siya. Tapos, simplify na dayon mo. Na dayon simplify na. Multiply by the reciprocal of the fraction to divide by 2/3. So, yeah. Multiply by 1. So, yan yung nagresulta. Yeah, combine 3/2 and sine cube u1. So, 3 sine cube u1 over 2 cos to the 4th power u1 du1. Yeah. Combine the 3 sine cube u1 over 2 and cos kaning cos 4 to the 4th power. Combine na din sila. So, 3 sine cube u1 cos to the 4th power u1 over 2 du1. So, since the 3/2 is constant with respect to u1, move 3/2 out of the integral. So, 3/2 sine cube u1 cos to the 4th power u1 du1. Sorry. du1. So, na. Basta ninigawas na ng 3/2 dere. Ano niya? Factor out then ang sine squared. So, 3/2 sine squared u1 sine u1 cos to the 4th power u1 du1. Pasensya na gidwalhon manggid ko matabunan. Then using the Pythagorean identity, rewrite sine squared u1 as 1 minus cos squared u1. So 3/2 minus 1 minus cos squared u1 sine u1 cos to the 4th power u1 du1. Napasensya na nagid walhon magid ko. kay maklaro. Dayon, let u2 is equal to cos u1. Then, ang du2 is equal to minus sine u1 du1. So, minus 1 over sine u1 is equal to du2 times du2 is equal to du1. Sorry. Since du2 is equal to cos times u1, pangitaan na to ang du2 over du1. So, differentiate na to ang cos u1. So, mao ni siya d over du1 times cos u1. Then, the derivative of cos u1 with respect to u1 is minus sine u1. So, rewrite the problem using u2 and du2. So, 3/2 integral of minus 1 plus u2 squared times u2 to the 4th power du2. Expand minus 1 plus u2 squared u2 to the 4th power. Expand siya. So, 1 plus u2 to the 4th power. Okay. Apply the distributive property. So, 3 squared integral of 1 u2 to the negative 1 u2 to the 4th power plus u2 to the squared u2 to the 4th power du2. Use the power rule. A to the m power, a to the n power is equal to a to the power of m plus n to combine exponents. So, 3 squared, 3 squared to the integral of negative 1 u2 to the 4th power plus u2 to the power of 2 plus 4 du2. Add 2 and 4. So, 3/2 to the integral of negative 1 u2 4 plus u2 to the 6th power du2. Reorder the negative 1 u2 to the 4th power and u2 to the 6th power. So, ano siya. Tapos, split the single integral into multiple integrals. So, na-split na siya. Tapos, by the power rule, the integral of u2 to the 6th power with respect to u2 is 1/7 u2 7. 3/2 1/7 u2 7 plus c plus negative 1 u2 to the 4th power du2. Since negative 1 is constant with respect to u2, move negative 1 out of the integral. 3/2 1/7 u2 7 plus c minus u2 to the 4th power du2. Tapos, by the power rule, the integral of u2 to the 4th power with respect to u2 is 1/5 u2 to the 5th power. 3 to 1/7 u2 7 plus c minus 1/4 u2 5 plus C. School. Tapos, i-simplify dayon. So, may mo na siya 3 over 2. 1 over 7. U2 to the power of 7. Minus 1/5. U2 to the power of 5 plus C. Kanya, substitute back in for each integration substitution variable. So, replace all occurrences of U2 with cos U1. So, bailuan na to. 3, 2, 1, 7 cos U1 minus 1, 5 cos 5 U1 plus C. Place all occurrences of U1 with 2/3 x. So, man siya 3 house times 1, 7 ng cos 7 2/3 x minus 1, 5 cos to the 5th power 2/3 x plus C. So, muna na ang answer. Marathon. Oh, that's all. Thank you. Bye.